It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
What's up? Welcome back to Pickle Fab. We're gonna start welding today. Get ready. What are we gonna do today? We're gonna start welding up the rear. Got all these brackets to start welding up. Then, where I left off last time, can't really see it, because there ain't no light in there. Let me try to plug the light in. Done! Anyway. I'm gonna finish welding up the cross member. I'll cut the bottom, that piece out. I'll make the plates for the bottom, except I gotta weld the bottom of the bag mounts. Under there. Under where? No, I gotta weld the bottom of those bag mounts yet, and then I just wanna kinda smooth out the notches. I only ever welded them. I never actually went and grinded nice little radius in them. So we're gonna do that. Link bars and the Watts link and the front infamous control arms. They all got painted, so they are ready to go. All I gotta do is get this frame welded up, and I gotta make one cross member in the back for the gas tank. Shouldn't be too bad. And then up here, this vehicle originally, somebody tried to put coilovers on it, and they cut out the top of the frame for it. So we're gonna grind all that smooth, get all that crap out of the way, and then we're gonna make pieces for that and get that all welded up. It's cold out again. Yesterday was pretty nice out. Today's back to being cold again. Pennsylvania problems. Anyway, yeah. The old Hobart fired up. We're gonna get this rear up onto the rear saddle. The thing I made to hold rears. Let's start getting that welded up. Don't worry about that. You don't need to know what that goes to, or what is right there. You're not gonna find that out yet. But you got to keep watching if you're really interested. Anyway, let's get to welding. Y'all get to watch me do this with a bad elbow. That's right. If it ain't my back, it's my elbow. I got the old welder's elbow going on right now. Pretty similar to tennis elbow, but I don't play tennis. I only weld, so it has to be welder's elbow. It's pretty rare, but it happens. Anyway. Let's see if I can get this one without dropping it. Which is probably impossible. I say probably, but I meant definitely. Why do I feel like I'm gonna drop it on my toes? Oh yeah, it's perfect. Now I have heavy rear back problems. All right, time to turn and burn. Always make sure you put your ground on. Ow! you get your chair, because you need a chair. Come on, Carter. Let's go. You lose your pliers. I don't know where they're at. Hold on. Find my MIG pliers. You guys know where I put that? Do you remember where I put it? I don't know where I put stuff. I'm gonna hire somebody to just follow me around and remind me where I put my tools at. If anybody's interested, let me know. Wages start very low. I'll find them. You guys are on the journey with me. We're gonna find them. I was working in this area that you can't see yet. Well, this is swell. Found a level. That works. I don't need it right now, but I found it. I will 100% guarantee they are in the last place that I put them. I'm positive of that. Now I'm starting to get pissed. Oh, just what I thought. They're not in my toolbox either. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Remember when I pointed out the cross member that I had to finish? This one, and the pliers are right there. I knew you knew where I put them. Couldn't say nothing, could you? All right, now we're gonna start welding.
Get no rest. No, no. I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. This ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my trail. I've been running so long don't work no more. Oh yeah, I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh no, it ain't easy, darling, when the devil's on my trail. Oh yeah. That wrench I was flippity flipping with, yeah, that hurt. That's not gonna work. I need another one. Pickle, give me the other wrench. This one? Yeah, come on, give me the wrench. Catch. Didn't say throw it at me.
See, my elbow's really starting to act up. This position, welder's elbow. Look it up, rare condition. I have it. Anyway. All right, guys. What did I get done on this episode? We got the rear all welded up. That's ready to be wire wheeled and painted. So that's ready to go. For the rear cross member, you saw me get that cut out. I made these. I gotta take a picture. Well, I took a picture of them. We're going to, I'm gonna canvas it onto the Fusion 360, trace it out. That's how I did the other ones. And then we'll get those cut out. When I do that, then that cross member is done. So that can be cleaned up, grinded, and painted. The plan was, today's Friday, the frame to get painted, but the problem with that is I don't have a heated garage, as we all know. And today is the coldest day of the week. Tomorrow is supposed to be, or next week is supposed to be in the 50s all week. So I think we're gonna plan on next week, maybe sometime, trying to get something painted. I did get all this cleaned up. So I gotta cut a piece for this, or here. I'll cut a piece for this and right here. And I'll weld that in, and then the bag cup will get bolted to that. So you'll slide it up into a hole. Yeah, anyway. You'll see that coming. Other than that, that's as far as we got. Also, I think I said that the A-arms and stuff were painted. Brian and Eric took the link bars and A-arms, took them. Eric painted them up. So those are done. As soon as we get the frame painted, get everything put back together, and we're one step closer to putting this thing down on the ground. The only major thing I gotta do is mount the gas tank. And once we get the air tanks, I'll mount them, which that's all kind of easy stuff. So yeah, this thing's rocking and rolling. It's almost there. There's a lot of shenanigans in this video this week. Thanks for watching. Come back next week. Don't forget to hit the little bell for notifications. And until then, keep on working.